Welcome back to the YouTube channel, guys. We have an IAG block filled with some J Pistons goodness, all ready to go. Time to take it out of the box, bolt some heads on, and get it ready to go.
Here's our latest IAG block. It's got the FIRE-LOCK Gasket, A1 crank, and J Pistons.
Rear main seal tool, fuel cap. So this is our first look at the new FIRE-LOCK. The gaskets that actually come with it, as you can see here, have a metal ring inside of them, which then will sit inside of this recession you can see here.
That's our introduction to our IAG block with FIRE-LOCK Gasket.